In today's video, we're going to look at how you can collapse the ribbon in Excel. Collapsing the ribbon is useful when you've got a large amount of data in particular and you want to maximize the actual kind of spreadsheet and cells area that's viewable on your screen. So to collapse the ribbon, we need to right click into it, and we need to right click sort of down in the ribbon. We can't right click up here, it won't present us with the option. We can't right click up here, again it won't present us with the option. So you need to right click down in the ribbon and then select collapse the ribbon, and then you'll notice how the ribbon's disappeared just like that. And then if I want to bring the ribbon back, I can simply go up and select into the ribbon, and then I can right click again and then untick collapse the ribbon just like that, and now the ribbon's going to come back and you'll see everything has appeared again. So collapsing the ribbon is useful, as I say, especially when you want to have a large amount of data showing on your screen and you need to maximize the screen real estate that's available. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.